Hey guys, good morning. Sorry. Oh, that was fun. Sorry about my voice being weird. I'm still sick somehow. Don't ask me because it's been like a month I've been sick, but okay. So I received the medications, and it's in this box. I just didn't want to show you my address, so yeah, it's in this box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up with you guys here. Let's see, how does this? Okay, so I guess I break it. So weird. I've never opened a box like this before. What the hell? Okay. This is embarrassing. Okay, got it. So I guess we're gonna open it from right here. So the first thing I'm pulling out is Endometrin vaginal insert, and it's progesterone. And I'm going to be doing this 2 times a day for one day, and then the next time it's going to be 3 times a day. I'm fairly positive this does not have to be refrigerated, but I'm going to check just in case. Ooh, these are to insert them. And then the actual pills. I mean, they told me over the phone that nothing has to be refrigerated, but I'm just double checking. So that's our first thing. And then there are these. Oh! The progesterone injections. It's the actual medicine, and it says, do not refrigerate. So that answers that question. Okay, this is my Sharps container. And there are pills in here for some reason. So this is my Sharps container, and I use these at school, so I'm very familiar with them. I'm not going to lock the lid yet, though, just because, you know. The next thing are... So this is the Estrase, which is the oral... Oh, shoot, my information is right there. Hopefully you guys didn't see that. Oh, no. Actually, my information is not there. Just my name. So we're good. So this is the Estrase. And I'm going to take this 3 times a day, starting on Christmas. It's a very small... It's a very small bottle, which is surprising. Ew. Sorry, guys. Okay. And the next thing. Oh my god, I'm so sick. Okay. Is the doxycycline. And this says do not take dairy products, antacids, or iron within 1 hour of this medication. That's interesting. You should avoid prolonged or excessive exposure to direct and or artificial sunlight in this medication. So it's the doxycycline, and yeah, I take these 1 a day, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Oh no, twice a day. Twice a day, that's fun. I get to add that into my calendar. More progesterone. Oh my god, I'm so excited, you guys. Like, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm fairly positive that this is the directions on how to do intramuscular injections, but I already know how to do them. Thank you. We're grateful to be a member of your healthcare team, and we value and trust you have placed we value the trust you have placed in us. We're here to help you every step of the way. MDR pharmacists are available 24/7, ready to answer any questions you have regarding medications and how to use them. Cool. It's cute. By the way, this is not my fertility clinic. It just is the pharmacy that they use. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. Oh, because most people who take this medication are dealing with infertility. That's very sweet. If I was dealing with infertility, I would love this. Take a deep breath. You have gone through a lot, but you're still going. We understand this process can be overwhelming. Our team is here to help you through it. Give us a call, and the pharmacist will gladly walk you through each medication and answer any questions you have. I hope you guys can understand me. Cool, and this is to inventory it. Dear MDR/Encino pharmacy patient, thank you for choosing the pharmacy, blah, blah, blah. Alright. So I'm going to keep all this stuff still in this cute little envelope thing. And I have to do this after this video. But it's this cute envelope. And I think that's very sweet for anybody who is suffering through infertility. More progesterone, vaginal suppositories. Oh, and I do have a shirt on. Just so you know, I just keep closing it because, I don't know, because I don't feel good. More progesterone. That's cool. That's a lot of progesterone. I'm going to put up my you-know-what. Oh, I think these are the needles. Yep. 18 gauge and 22 gauge. I'm familiar with these needles. And they gave me alcohol swabs, which is super cool. More syringes and more alcohol swabs. 2 whole bags of them, you guys. I'm excited. I get injections every single day at school, so I'm not really nervous about this, but I'm excited. I'm going to put that over there with my Sharps container. More suppositories. Jeez, there are 4 boxes right here. Okay. We're almost to the end. And then this is Valium. Take by mouth 30 minutes prior to transfer. Nice. They give you Valium. That's cool. Alright, so I'm going to just pan over and show you guys all the medications. All the suppositories. Oh, this camera is... Okay, there we go. All the suppositories, all the progesterone, doxycycline, and estrace, Valium, Sharps container, syringes, and my inventory slip. So I'm going to go ahead and inventory, and I will make a video with you guys after my daughter's appointment. So thanks for watching.